I thought it might be easier to just make a video to explain how to get everywhere you need to go to make captions. So I'm at YouTube. I click on the L is me, and I click YouTube Studio. This takes me to the YouTube Studio beta that is almost all they're going to have. Down here in the lower left-hand corner is Creator Studio Classic, which you can click on to switch in there quicker. Another option is to click on Videos. This will bring up your list of videos. Click on the video you want to work on. Then click More Options. Scroll down and you can see this, English, YouTube Automatic. When you click on these three little dots, Edit on Classic Studio is an option, and that will take you to Classic Studio to where you can edit. Now right now my Chrome is being weird, so the video isn't going to load. I actually have to use Firefox when I'm doing this. But from here you can edit the captions. Also, any videos I give you, I will also share my YouTube channel with you, which is separate from your YouTube channel. Then once you accept that invitation, when you're in Creator Studio, and only when you're in Creator Studio, click here in the upper right-hand corner where your picture is, or it says an initial. You can click Switch Account and switch to any other account you have shared with you. I hope that makes sense.